Introducing the Amcrest SmartHome wire-free battery security camera with Smart Hub. This surveillance system comes with the Amcrest Smart Hub and your choice of 1 or 2 battery cameras, and is expandable up to 6 battery cameras. This outdoor security camera is equipped with a long-lasting rechargeable battery that can last up to 6 months on a single charge. 100% wire-free cameras let you position your cameras anywhere with ease. Experience stunning 1080p HD video resolution from anywhere in the world. This wireless security camera system features an extra-wide 110-degree view, allowing you to cover every angle. The battery security camera features a built-in microphone and speaker for two-way audio, allowing you to talk and listen to visitors. Receive motion detection alerts via email or push notifications from your smart home camera. And instantly review recorded footage directly from your smartphone using the Amcrest SmartHome app. Securely store your HD footage to the Amcrest SmartHome Cloud with an included free 1-year Smart Home Cloud subscription, or store directly to your Smart Hub using a local USB up to 2 terabytes. Enjoy basic live view compatibility with Amcrest View Pro. This Amcrest outdoor wireless security camera features a heavy-duty IP65 weatherproof housing to protect against rain and dust. The Wi-Fi IP camera's built-in IR LEDs can achieve night vision capability up to 16 feet, allowing you to see clear 1080p footage even in the dark. This Amcrest outdoor Wi-Fi security camera features an IEEE 802.11 BGN connection. The Smart Hub operates on a hardwired Ethernet connection directly to your router. At Amcrest, we want to ensure the safety of our customers, their loved ones, homes, and businesses. We stand by our products and provide lifetime support. Amcrest, simple, reliable, secure.
Lorex is proud to introduce the Lorex HD wire-free security system. Now you can have your security system up and running in under an hour. They come bundled with 6 1080p HD cameras. These weather-resistant cameras can be mounted anywhere, indoor or outdoor. Of course, the key to these cameras is that they are battery operated and require no cabling, so you can even mount them on your fence. They are designed to operate through rain and snow, so there are virtually endless placement options. At your front door, you can monitor when the kids come home or when you received a package. Another great thing about the Lorex wire-free camera system is that there are no monthly fees. The security-grade 1 terabyte hard drive means no need to record to the cloud. Real security cameras require real HD resolution. Lorex wire-free cameras provide 1080p resolution and offer night vision and an advanced motion detection system that use infrared sensors to detect moving heat sources. The wire-free cameras from Lorex use reliable lithium-ion batteries, and the quick release function allows easy removal for charging. Included in the Lorex security bundle is a bonus power pack, allowing you to charge and then swap out batteries. The Lorex Secure app allows you to stay connected to your security system no matter where you are. The app makes monitoring your home easier than ever before. The Lorex HD wire-free security system provides wired performance with wire-free convenience. Pick up your system today.
Reolink Keen, the world's first 100% wire-free, pan and tilt, 1080p HD Wi-Fi security camera. No cords, no wires. You can place it anywhere you like. On the bookshelf, in your baby's room, at the door, in the kitchen, up on the wall shelf, or on the table. You can even tilt the camera to 105 degrees or pan 355 degrees. Just one camera, you get every corner covered. You can see the window, living room, stairs, dining room, or the front door. No matter where you are, traveling around or at work, you can always know what's going on in the house. With the PIR motion sensor, you get motion notifications instantly. You can even listen in and talk back. "Dude, get off my property!" Or take a look at your baby. See if he's having a sound sleep. Reolink Keen is always there, day or night, to watch your home. Reolink Keen, a 100% wire-free, full HD, pan and tilt, Wi-Fi security camera. Your truly hassle-free indoor smart camera.
Reolink Argus is the live view. Check if your baby is having a sound sleep. Watch what your naughty pet is getting into. Enjoy the family happy moments. And see if there is a burglary while you're away. Installation is super simple. Put it on a shelf or other flat surfaces, mount it to the wall, or place it under the ceiling. No cords and no wiring hassles. No limit to placement options. It's portable and flexible so that you can place it anywhere, like in the kitchen, the living room, the baby's room, the front door, and the back door. You can move it anywhere, from room to room. If you prefer a rechargeable or solar-powered version, get Reolink Argus 2.
Let's go over the features of Smart Home Security Camera. Watch full HD live footage on your phone from anywhere. With advanced night vision, even a completely dark room is visible as clear as day. This device has built-in speakers and mic, so you can hear what's happening at home and instantly converse from the Qubo app. Using advanced artificial intelligence, this device can distinguish between human beings and objects. Users can set the trigger for recording and notification. You can choose between motion and person. So, you record and receive relevant notifications. To get notifications about activity in a specific area, user can set up activity zones. An activity zone focuses motion detection on a specific area. The Qubo Smart Home Security Camera is weather resistant, so it can be used indoors and outdoors. The Qubo Smart Home Security Camera uses Crypto, which ensures that data transmission between the device and cloud or between the mobile app and cloud is secure, confidential, and private.